How to add follow button on Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, my profile does not have the follow button. So let me show you how you can add it in Facebook Lite. Go ahead and open up the app and then click on the three lines at the top right corner, then scroll down to the settings and privacy section and click on settings, and here scroll down to the privacy section, and from there click on public posts. And as you can see here, the first section, it says who can follow me, and it's set to friends. What you need to do is you need to set this option to public, and when you do that, go back and let's refresh this page right here. And as you can see, the follow button has been added to my profile, and now even non-friends can have this option to follow me without being my friends. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add the follow button to non-friends on Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.